If you've ever looked at a software testing plan and thought, wait, is this a scenario or a case? Don't worry. It is a usual question that QA junior professionals may have. Here is the easiest way to remember the difference. Think of software testing like planning a road trip. The test scenario is your destination. You point to the map and say, I want to drive from Paris to Brussels. It's the what? It's the big idea. The test case, however, is your GPS. It tells you exactly which highway to take, when to turn left, and where to stop for something. It's the how. Let's apply this to something we do every day, logging into an app. If I'm writing a test scenario, I just write verify user can log in. Simple, right? A human tester knows what that means. But for a test case, I have to give steps to execute it. In this case, a software or an app can execute it since its specific steps. But in a case of test scenario, the software may not be able to execute it since it requires human understanding. So why do we need both? Use the scenario, the sticky note, when you need to brainstorm quickly or just get a quick overview of what needs testing. Use the test case, the instruction manual, when you need precision, like when you're building automation or need to prove exactly what you did for a client. Think of them as a team. The scenario is the strategy. The case is the execution. Both are complementary in the test cycle. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See ya.